Hey guys, welcome to Griots Garage. So today I've got an unboxing. So this is from Griots Garage, which I'd never really messed around with any Griots products before, but Adam LZ was doing a giveaway, so I ordered one of their foam cannons to try it out. And I gotta say, it's like the best foam cannon I've ever used. So I ended up ordering a couple other things to try out just to see how it was. And by a couple other things, I mean a lot. Because now they're sending me catalogs like this. Like I already have this catalog, but now I have two. So I ordered this from their website. It arrived in like 4 days. And there's a bunch of different stuff on here. So I'm just gonna kind of put it out on the counter and then we'll unpack it. I don't see anything damaged, which is nice. First off, I got replacement tips for the foam cannon, just so that I have a couple extras in case I ruin one. Next, they actually sell, these are the bottles for the foam cannon, and these are like 15 bucks or something ridiculously cheap, which is way less expensive than MTM charges, and this is a better bottle. So I have a spare one of these now, which is nice. I picked up one of each of these. I don't have a reason for them. I just thought it'd be nice to have on hand. This is a Stinky Be Gone, and this is an air dryer. So these are for like, if your car has moisture in it, like from a water leak or leaving the windows down or a spill or something like that. And this Stinky Be Gone is for odor neutralization. Next, I have their Surface Prep cleanser. I usually use Car Pro Eraser. And I think that this is going to be pretty similar to that. I can no longer buy eraser in California. I've talked about that in a previous video. So I've been using Geyon Prep, which I do like, but it's always nice to try new things. This is a convertible top cleaner. So I picked this up for the Miata, just for tack to mess around with. And we'll try it out and see how it works on a cloth top. Interior cleaner. I've used this in the past. I like it. It works really well. So I picked up a bottle of that. And there's sprayers for all of these. This one is Bug Barricade, an invisible shield to help ease bug splatter removal. So what you're supposed to be able to do with this is spray it directly onto the front of the car, and then you'll see a little bit of haze, but following your road trip, you can wash the vehicle as normal and it'll remove bug splatter and the film from Bug Barricade. So this is like for if you're going on a road trip or something along those lines and you think that you're going to come across a lot of bugs. Next, I picked up Interior Detailer. I've never used this before, but it's supposed to be like the interior cleaner, but with some UV protection. So figured I'd try this out. Most of these bottles are like $10, $15 a piece, so I just picked up a bunch of them to try them out. I picked this up, Fine Glass Polish. So I've used, I think it's P&S Clarity before, and that works fairly well. This is supposed to be a glass polish, like a Siri glass or a Clarity. This is supposed to be a water spot killer. So we're gonna try it out next time we end up with some water spots and some glass. There's some on Eric's Civic, so we'll try that out. Griots has these microfiber swabs. They're for like cleaning in gaps in your interior and doing different things like that around emblems, just detail work. So they actually make 5 different ones. So I picked up a bag of each. These are the large square. These are large square microfiber. These are large square foam. I don't really know the difference between the two of them, except one's foam and one's microfiber. So we'll try those both out. And then they have these dual head microfiber swabs. They have these long reach microfiber swabs. And they have these fine point foam swabs. So I picked up a bag of each of those. These are funnels, collapsible silicone funnels. I picked those up as well. So we'll try one of those out. They have 3 different neck sizes. So it looks like one is designed to fit these. One is designed to fit a standard size bottle like this, or like my press-all bottles. They just seem neat and they collapse for storage. I picked up this fast correcting cream. I've heard a lot of people talk about it before. I've heard good reviews about it. I figured I would try it out. I've never used it before. I've never really used any of Griots polishes, but this seems to be the one that most people like. So we'll try it out, see how it works. Interior car scent, glass sealant, which I've used Wolf's before and I've used a couple others. So we'll try this one out and see how it is. Maybe it's pretty good, maybe it's not. And then the last one, this is a glass cleaning clay that's supposed to remove bonded contaminants from windshields, glass, and chrome. So try this out as well. It's bug season here in California. So last but not least, I picked this up. So this is foaming surface wash. So what's actually interesting about this is the Griots foam cannon has the ability to screw right into their bottles and pull directly out of the bottle with its foam cannon. So without diluting in any way, without adding any water, you can just run this directly through the foam cannon and it comes out as foam. So I've been playing around with that. I really like it. It works really well. I thought I'd try one of their soaps out and just see how it is. And this is actually a pre-wash. So gently lifts and releases contaminants, maintaining a best of show finish. Surface Prep Snow Foam. So we'll try this out and we'll see how it works. All right, so that's it for today. Just a quick unboxing. I'll come back and I'll talk about some of these products in different videos and mention the ones that I really like. I think I'm going to do a video at the end of this year talking about my current process, what chemicals I'm using and why I like them. So anyway, thank you for watching and hopefully you'll have a great day.